Hey everybody, it's Brandon, the ECOstruder. I just wanted to pop in here for a quick YouTube Shorts type of video to let you know that yes, I know we've been a little bit preoccupied and haven't been putting out too much content, but as you might see behind me, we have been hard at work creating something new and something very, very exciting. And today, August 1st, 2023, is our big announcement day, a launch day, if you will, for the HSP1i. This is a truly industrial, fully made in USA 3D printer that we're very, very excited to bring to the industry, bring to the market, and I think you're gonna love it, but this is the ECOstruder channel, so I'm gonna keep it brief, keep it short. If you want more information about this particular machine to see whether maybe it's something you need in your shop, head on over to the HeartSmart Products YouTube channel, where there'll be a lot more information about the actual specs and what makes it cool and all that kind of stuff over there. And of course you can email us, email address right down here at the bottom, and check the description on this video for the actual product page on heartsmartproducts.com. But check it out. It's big, it's mean, it's green, and I'm super, super excited to have this thing shipping soon.